Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and before we get into the DIY, I want to give you a little bit of information on something. I am getting ready to co-host a collab with my friend Felicia over at Miss Fee Marie's. It is a Dollar Tree Christmas tree challenge. What we want you to do is take any size Christmas tree and decorate it with all Dollar Tree products. And if it's not a Dollar Tree product, it has to be a dollar store. And we would like the items to cost $1. Now we know some ribbons is not going to cost $1, but it needs to come from a dollar store. This is an open collab. It's open to anyone. And we want you to title it the Dollar Tree Christmas Tree Challenge. And also you're going to use the hashtag the Christmas Tree Challenge. And the upload date is going to be November the 17th. You can upload it anytime on November the 17th. It just needs to be uploaded November the 17th. And well, I think that's about all the information on it. It's an open collab. It's called the Dollar Tree Christmas Tree Challenge. You're using any size Christmas tree to decorate and use Dollar Tree items. And if not Dollar Tree, dollar store items. November the 17th is the upload date. Oh, and it must consist of one DIY. You have to have at least one DIY on your Christmas tree. So guys, please come on and join in on this collab. I want to see all you guys' trees, what you come up with, how you decorate them. I'm ready to be amazed at how you can take Dollar Tree items and turn them into a spectacular Christmas tree. So come on guys, share this video. Go ahead over and get acquainted with Miss Fee Marie, Miss Felicia, over at her channel. I'll leave a link to her channel down in the description box, as well as the Eye in the Sky. And yeah, and so I would challenge our DIY today is the Pier 1 Imports 2018 fir Christmas tree, and we're going to make that on a budget. And so let's jump right into this DIY so I can let you know what you guys need. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. Bye bye guys. I need one pool noodle, 2 of the microfiber auto cloths, some floor wire, some ornaments of your choice. Gold is what is called for the project, a knife, some scissors, your hot glue gun, glue sticks, E6000, a floral wreath. This is a 14-inch one. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your wreath and you're going to, this is a 14-inch wreath, and I'm just showing you that it's the wreath form, and I am showing you the SKU number just in case you want this one. So I'm going to take the pool noodle and I'm going to bend it around into the wreath, and once I get it around, I'm going to cut it in this. I'm gonna cut it where it needs to be cut at. Once I cut it, I'm going to proceed to start tying down the pool noodle to the wreath. I'm going to try to start putting the hot glue on it first, but it's not going to work out. So I'm just going to cancel that and go ahead and tie it down first with the floor wreath, floor wire. So here you see me going ahead and just tying it down with the floor wire. And then once I get it tied down with the floor wire, I'm gonna go back in and put the hot glue onto the back of it to give it some extra added support. So I'm gonna just put hot glue in some of the joint areas to give it some extra added support, as I said before. And once that dries, I am going to put this off to the side and let it dry. And then I'm bringing my microfiber cloths up, and I'm going to open them up, and I'm going to fold it in half. And then after I fold it in half, I'm going to cut that half, and then I'm going to fold the halves in halves and cut that. So I'm going to end up with 4 pieces, 8 total of the fur pieces. So this is the first one, and I'm going to do another one just like that. So now I have all 8 of them, and now what I'm going to do is start gluing them end to end together to make one long continuous piece of fur. So I'm going to hot glue all 8 of them together. Ooh, excuse me guys. But I'm going to hot glue them end to end, all 8 pieces of them, to get one long piece of fur fabric. And I'm just going to continue to do that until it's all 8 of them are connected together. Okay, so now all of them are together, and I am going to proceed to wrap it around the pool noodle, and I'm overlapping just a little bit. I want it to be close together because I want to make sure that the pool noodle and is covered completely, but I want a thick layer of the fur around the floral wreath. And I'm going to continue to do that till it's all covered, and then I'm going to secure it with hot glue. And then once I secure it, I am going to bring up my ornaments, and I have this great big one, and I'm going to start off by hooking several of them together, and I'm not going to like that, so I'm going to quit that, and I'm going to just start putting them on individual. And as you can see, I am taking and putting hot glue around the top of each one of the balls so that they will stay put together. So here I am, like I said, going to try doing it this way, and I'm not going to really like it. So I'm going to just start putting them on individually. And guys, I got carried away when I was putting these ornaments on. I just kept going and going and going. And then when I finally realized how many was up there, I took a step back and it was a mountain of them. So I went back in and I took more than half of them off, and you guys will see that in a few moments. So I'm gonna just do this set like this, and I'm going to do another one, but I'm not. I'm just going to end up starting to put them on individually and see what I mean, guys. See how many bulbs are up there. Now, it would have been fine if the Wreath form was a little bit bigger, but this 14-inch one, the bulbs just like are overpowering it. So I am going to go back and I'm going to pull over half of them off. And then once I come back, you're going to see how many I actually took off and what it looks like after I finish taking all of them off. Because that's a lot right there. And I'm still going. I'm going to have enough bulbs to do the matching floral thing, and once I take them off. See that poor Wreath? I'm looking at it and I'm saying to myself, that is a whole lot of bulbs, but once again, I'm still putting some more on. So here I looked and I said it was too many, so I took over half of them off, and this is the correct amount, I believe, and it looks more like the Pier 1 actual Wreath itself with the amount that's up there now, and I'm loving that. And so I'm going to take some fur and I'm going to make a hanging part for it, but you can also use gold ribbon, and I think I'm gonna go back in and I'm going to put gold ribbon in with the fur tie, but for right now I'm just going to put the fur tie around it to hold it up. And then once I do that, guys, we'll be all finished. So I'm just going to take another one of the microfiber cloths. I'm going to cut a quarter of it off, and then I'm going to fold that quarter in half and glue it with the fluffy sides together. And then I'm going to turn it inside out. I'm going to put the rough edges inside of the fur thing. So it's like a little sock thing, and I'm just pulling it through, and that's going to give me a clean edge. And after that, guys, I'm going to hang it up so you guys can see the finished product. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you have, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And guys, come on and join in the open collab. I think it's going to be real fun. Go head over to Miss Fee Marie's channel and check her out, and go ahead and get accustomed to her. Tell her Design on a Dollar sent you. And guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again.